From everyday elegance to special moments, complete your look with beautifully coordinated jewelry sets, where each necklace, earring, bracelet, or ring is thoughtfully designed to match and shine together. Explore our jewelry sets collection at PandaHall, curated for women who love style, simplicity, and value. Whether you're dressing up or down, there's a set made just for you. Classic pearls, sparkling zircon jewelry sets, or bold statement designs. Pick a set that speaks to your unique style. Every piece is crafted to complement the rest, making matching effortless. Making matching effortless. Made with high-quality materials. From long-lasting metal plating to polished beads and smooth clasps, our jewelry sets are designed to look great and last long. Wear after wear. Perfect as a gift for someone special or just to treat yourself. Jewelry sets come beautifully packaged and ready to make any occasion a little more memorable. Find your perfect jewelry set today at PandaHall, and let your accessories speak for you, beautifully and effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Complete your style story with PandaHall jewelry sets, your all-in-one elegance solution.